Were Vikings descendants of a Central Asian tribe? According to Dr. David K. Faux, the genetic link of the Viking era Norse to Central Asia, an assessment of the Y chromosome DNA, yes. So he concludes that through genetic studies and analysis, 40,000 years ago, the Ariana region had a new mutation on the Y chromosome and became an ancestor to the majority of Eurasians. It was in this area that humans first learned how to domesticate plants and animals. Ara means to farm. And that area, which is present-day Afghanistan, became known as Ariana. Urban civilizations there led to new Stone Age tools, which led to the Bronze Age. According to his theory, those descendants moved over mountains into East Asia. Then in Central Asia, another genetic marker change happened, the Siberian marker, the ancestors of the majority who migrated into North America 15,000 years ago, Native Americans. Around the same time, another genetic mutation happened in Central Asia. They were to become ancestors of most Western Europeans. They brought horse and nomadic culture to the Altai and steppes. So in his study, he concludes that there are people in Scandinavia, Norway, Denmark, and Sweden with DNA signatures that are not European, but resemble Central Asian regions, who migrated there before the rise of the Norsemen, or Northmen, or Vikings. They migrated there between 375 and to 550, and they did that after the fall of the Roman Empire. The Vikings rose in Scandinavia in the 8th century. They were known to pillage, raid lands, and they colonized places like Dublin, coast of England, northern Scotland, the Isles, Normandy. They established settlements in the Shetlands, Iceland, Orkney, and the Faroe Islands. Archaeological records show a connection between the Vikings and the Scythians of Central Asia, a vigorous nomadic tribe who taught the world how to wear trousers and ride horses. Let's look at some of these artistic and cultural connections. They both had elaborate burial customs and burial mounds. This is the Scythian burial mound, and this is the Viking. Animal motifs such as the dragon. Dragons could be seen at the front of Viking ships. There were similarities with other art with animal motifs, gold figurines, jewelry, tattoos, and golden armor. Another interesting connection are the people of the Tarim Basin. They were tall, had reddish skin, light hair, spoke Tocharian, and whose graves had cloths that had patterns that mimic the Scottish tartans. What do you think about this genetic connection?